In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete table columns in Google Sheets. This is a quick and essential skill to master, whether you're organizing data for a project, cleaning up your spreadsheets, or simply requiring some customization for your tables. With these straightforward steps, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets file, just as you would for any other document. This can be done by heading to the Google Sheets home screen and selecting the sheet you wish to edit. If you don't have it saved there, you can always search for it in your Google Drive. Once you've opened the document, you're almost ready to get started. Next, decide on which column you want to delete. To do this, you need to first select any cell within that column. This involves a simple click on the cell itself. Selecting a cell is important because it shows Google Sheets which column you are interested in manipulating. If your spreadsheet is filled with lots of data, choosing the right cell ensures that you're working on the correct column. Once you've selected your cell, your next action will be to navigate to the top of your column. Google Sheets provides a convenient arrow right next to each column header. By clicking on this drop-down arrow, you'll get access to additional options for your column. This step is crucial as it opens up the menu containing the command needed to delete your column. Now that you have the drop-down menu open, you should see an option labeled Delete Column. Clicking on Delete Column will immediately remove the column you've been working on. But do take care before proceeding. Ensure you've chosen the right column and double-check that you do want this data to be removed, as this action can't be undone with a simple undo command. It's always a good practice to verify the changes made. Once the column disappears, your data will automatically shift to the left, giving you a cleaner and more organized table. There you have it, a streamlined way to manage your data within Google Sheets. Just remember to save your work afterward to avoid any data loss. This simple yet effective method of deleting columns can considerably enhance your workflow efficiency. Now, you can better manage your spreadsheets, ensuring all your data remains tidy and up to date. If you're working on projects with lots of team input, a well-organized table can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.